Hey guys, Gary G back again with another video today, and today I'm going to take you along with me. This is a vehicle that I ceramic coated. It's one of the first ones that I ceramic coated as a business, and today what we're going to do is a decontamination. So it's been over a year. It's been actually about a year and a half, so it's overdue. So I'm going to go ahead and do an iron remover. I'm going to go ahead and do tar remover. I'm going to hit the front with a little bit of acid because there's some water spots. I'm going to clean the tires, wheel wells, the whole vehicle, foam wash. We're going to APC rinse it as well to get all the rest of the grime and whatnot off of there. So let's go ahead and take care of that right now. Apologize to you guys if there's bad audio. I'm having problems with my mic today, so going straight into the camera. All right, so step one in this whole process is going to be my iron remover process. Now you might be asking, why are you going to spray iron remover on before you even do the wash? And the idea is, because I have to rinse after I do the iron remover process, I want to do this first because I want to get off any iron particles before I touch it with a wash mitt or anything. So I'm going to cover the entire vehicle in this iron remover, let it dwell for about maybe 30 to 60 seconds or so. And then I'm going to go and combine it with what would be the initial rinse of the vehicle. All right, so now we're finishing up the rinse. We're going to go on to the tar and sap remover. Just spraying it on the lower panels, usually where that exists on the vehicle, and I'm using Stoner's tar and sap remover. All right, next up, dun dun dun, everybody's biggest fear, the APC rinse. Woo, okay. Again, like I always say, guys, everybody needs to calm down about this step. It's not a big deal. It's a very useful step, and I think that we all should be implementing it when necessary. For my APC, as usual, I am using Super Clean 4-to-1. It's very safe. I even had it dry on the paint, and it's been just fine. So again, guys, just use common sense. Don't get scared. This is a very useful step. All right, so now we're going to foam it up, get ready for a contact wash. I believe I'm using PNS Pearl this time. Usually I use Atomic Bomb by Mirror Finish. They're very comparable. So anyways, I'm going over the vehicle, getting all the top surfaces with the long wand and then the hand mitt. And for those people who are going to mention it, yes, I'm going up and down from top to bottom. I'm not worried about it. I've already done so much to take off dirt on the paint. I'm not worried about that. All right, well, remember when I said we were going to use acid? This is what I'm talking about. So this is 3D's acid. I think it's 3-to-1. And I'm spraying it on the front because the customer got water spots on there. And just let it sit for about 30 seconds to a minute. And you can see here, it did a pretty dang good job taking care of all of that. So I know there's some people who are scared. Once again, guys, just experiment. It's not a big deal. Don't be so scared. All right, well, if you made it this far, I really appreciate it. Make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe. It definitely helps out the channel. Just want to make sure you guys do that. Join the Stay Slick fam. Anyways, all the hard work is done. Now we're getting into the fun part. So we are applying some protection. What I'm using in this video is what I always use. It's Touchless by Mirror Finish Polishes. It's a spray and rinse ceramic sealant. You could put it in a foam cannon, but here you see me, I got it in a pump sprayer. I am rinsing from bottom to top to bring the product up and let it fall back down. Just gives it more time to settle into the paint. And as you see here, it's got tremendous water beading again, just to top off the ceramic coating to make sure that there's no, none of the layers are starting to diminish. so I wanted to put this clip in here just for anybody who's going to ask if the acid affected the coating. It didn't. Right now I'm just putting touchless on the top like I did on the rest of the vehicle. And you'll be able to see here that the water beading is exactly like it should be, exactly like it was the day it was applied and after it cured. All right, so everything is looking as it should. I think it's pretty straightforward to tell you guys after this. I'm going to dry it and put tire dressing, clean the windows, etc. All right guys, that's it. Thank you guys for coming back to another video. Just know that everything that I use in this video is going to be linked down below to where you can buy it. All the acid, all the soaps, everything that I use today is going to be down there below. Now keep in mind, it is important to do this probably every quarter would be best, but at least every 6 months. You want to make sure that if you have a coating that it's performing the best that it can. And a coating does not stop a vehicle from getting contamination. It's protecting the clear coat and the paint. So the coating takes on the beading that your clear coat normally would. So you still have to do this maintenance. Also, you saw we didn't get the water spots out 100%. Unfortunately, I would rather protect the integrity of the coating than take the water spots out entirely. If the customer wants to pay me to polish it out and recoat the area, then we could do that. But for the sake of the integrity of the coating and keeping it the way that it is, the longevity of the coating, I would rather just call it good with what we have. We got at least about 50% off, so I'm happy with that. If you do it a different way, leave it in the comments. Let people know. There's all different types of ways to do this. Make sure you post a nice comment. If you post a comment just trying to be a jerk, it's gonna get deleted. But if you actually want to help people and put some more information out there, then go ahead and leave that in the comments down below. So I appreciate you guys. Thank you to all my Stay Slick family. Thank you for coming back to another video. See you guys on the next one. All right, peace. Stay slick. Let's get it.